So, what do you think about the grand opening, Mama? Yeah? So how's it feel to get shot?
Show your voices so you can...
I don't have anything to write it down.
Felt great. Another fun day with the DJ. Oh, the ear, that's a good one, man.
Owie!
Little something there, little something, something.
Little something, something. Grenade! Woohoo! That's my bro. That's my sis over here. She's looking at an article. We were on the cover. That's my little son. Say hi, Papi. Okay. You guys getting ready? Yeah. You guys having fun?
Yeah. Damn, we only got a pistol and a saw out there.
Guys, this is how it's gonna work.
Is that a good feel?
Yeah. I disagree. I'll build it. It better be a year after high school.
Testimonial. So what do you think about the Houston Tactical Airsoft Field?
It's sweet.
Sweet?
It's sweet. It's fun. My war pig loves it. I love
The
it.
best 25 bucks I spent in a year.
Yeah. All day playing in the AC. What else could you want?
Dead man walking.
What do you think, Adam?
My finger hurts. And I got shot in the cojones.
Both by me.
Woo!
My little teammate.
And then I
That's the best money you can get. Just watch your back. I'm coming for you, special ops.
Oh,
Rocks.
The knife guy. Knife guy.
Scooter, did you get hit?
No.
Alright, keep playing.
That's game.
game?
Accidental tube, and I shot Colin with a 40 mil.
Hey, look, he's got the knife right there.
See?
Knife.
Close quarters, baby.
He broke the window.